Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Foursquare. Begin by identifying the no-code platform you will use, such as Bubble or Adalo. Create an account on your chosen no-code platform if you haven't already. Open a new project within the platform. Select a template that supports location-based features, or start from scratch. Design your main user interface to include a map element. Drag and drop a map component onto your canvas. Ensure the map is set to display user locations. Add a button labeled Check-in to your interface. Create a database to store user check-ins. Include fields for user ID, location, timestamp, and any additional metadata you want. Integrate API access for a location service like Google Maps. Set up the API key within your platform settings. Configure your app to request the user's location when they press the check-in button. Add a workflow that triggers on button click. This workflow should save the user's location and timestamp to your database. Display the check-ins on your map, linking them to user profiles. Test your app to ensure check-ins are recorded accurately. Make any necessary adjustments based on user feedback. Publish your application to make it live for users to start checking in. Monitor user interactions and check-in statistics closely to improve functionality in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.